Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Netflix keep crashing on iPhone or iPad. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that whenever they use Netflix app, they are facing an issue of crashing, that their Netflix is keep crashing. They don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, you are one of them and looking for a fix, so you are in a right video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix Netflix keep crashing on iPhone or iPad. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is check for app updates. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Netflix app. To check for update, you have to open your App Store. Now go to Update tab, and from here you can see the update. Now you have to do is simply tap on Update and update your Netflix to its latest version. If you're still facing the issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone or iPad can often fix minor software glitches that might be causing problem with Netflix. So you have to open your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is reinstall your Netflix app. To do this, you have to simply tap and hold on your Netflix app. Now tap on remove app, now tap on delete app and delete the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure that your iPhone or iPad is running the latest version of iOS or iPad OS. To check for software update, you have to open your settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and check if there is an available update for your iPhone or iPad. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of 17.1.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. So guys, these were some simple steps to fix the Netflix crashing. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.